Hello ladies, welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. Today we have a new wig to try on from Luvme Hair. I'm not gonna hold you any longer than I need to. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers and I'm super excited, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. I like to go over the packaging first just so you guys can get an understanding of what to expect. This wig comes with a mesh storage bag to store your wigs in, a set of box labels in case you decide to store the wig inside the box, a brown stocking cap, a custom edge brush, a custom rat tail comb, a custom hair clip, and a detailed user guide and info card. This is the PreMax Water Wave Flexi-Fit Invisi Drawstring Cap 360 Lace Long Curly Wig. It comes in 5 different lengths from 14 to 24 inches. You have the option of choosing either regular or HD lace. This here is the HD lace. It also comes pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached, and that's all the way around because it is a 360 wig. The cap construction includes 360-degree lace, that is lace going all the way around the perimeter. It also has 4 combs, 2 on the sides, 1 on the back, and 1 in the middle. It also has an anti-slip designed elastic band with 3 rows of silicone to keep the wig from slipping. And this wig in particular features an invisible drawstring at the back of the wig to allow the wig to fit securely to your head and ensure a more natural fit. And if it wasn't obvious already, this is a 100% human hair wig made with 150% density. So my hair is braided back for this wig. It is a 360 wig, so you want to make sure that your hair is as flat as possible underneath. I'm not going to show y'all what my braids look like because I let my fiance practice braiding my hair for the first time. So it's a little messy back there, but it's good enough, okay? And I'm using the brown stocking caps that I received with this wig. If you do not want to have to go through the trouble of putting foundation or lace tint spray or makeup and all that stuff on your wig cap to make it blend in underneath your wig, I highly suggest getting a wig cap that is as close to your skin tone as possible. And I love that Luvme Hair provides the brown stocking caps instead of the beige ones. So this is my stocking cap. This is the base for the wig. All right, here is the wig. Now I did notice, and I could be tripping, but to me it looks like the lace is already tinted on this wig. What do you think? It looks like it's already tinted. So I'm going to try it on as is and see if I need to add any makeup or anything. Alright, so that's a little big. I am going to tighten it in the back. So here are the drawstrings. They are on the side and they're clear, so they're very invisible. And the drawstrings can just be tucked. The wig is secured. I'm going to put some makeup on the lace. I don't think I'm tripping. This lace is definitely darker than the other laces that I have received. But I'm going to put some makeup on it to help it blend. But look at the scalp. Okay, so I'm going to add some of my Nika K contour powder to the lace. Okay, so I went ahead and put some contour powder on the lace. On the front and in the back as well. And I was playing with it a little bit because I've mentioned this before, I have long sideburns and I did not feel like shaving them off for the sake of this video. But what I did instead was I straightened them and I curled them a bit so that they blend in with the pattern and texture of the wig. Also did the same thing to my kitchen in the back so everything blends in. And while I was doing that, I actually noticed that you could potentially wear this wig glueless. I know it's not a glueless wig, but you could potentially wear this wig glueless because there is a comb in the back. There are two combs right here in the middle on the sides. There's a comb right here in the middle, but I'm not using that one. I am using these two combs and the comb in the back, and it is pretty snug, it's pretty secure. Now, if you were to do an updo with this hairstyle, putting the hair up, I would definitely suggest, which I'm going to show you, laying down the lace with some glue, adhesive spray, or something. I will be using my Ebon lace adhesive spray, and I'm going to lay down the lace because I do want to show y'all a really nice updo. That's how I plan on wearing this wig for the rest of the week. But yeah, I thought I should mention that you can possibly wear this wig glueless, but you just want to, you know, take the necessary precautions to make sure it doesn't go slipping and sliding. Like, don't wear it in an updo to where gravity is pulling on it. And I would also suggest maybe wearing a wig grip cap underneath if you're going to wear it down and wear it glueless. I do have one. If you're interested in checking it out, it is linked on my Amazon storefront. But this is the wig down. I have not secured the lace yet, and I am loving the texture. It looks so freaking like romantic and vacation-y. It looks so adorable, y'all. I am going to refresh the curls, but I'm going to do that after I lay the lace. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay, so I have my band worn, and I did lay the lace down all the way around, front and the back. This is the lace adhesive spray that I used to lay the lace. Now I'm going to refresh the curls a bit using some hair products from Luvme Hair. I don't know if y'all knew, I definitely did not know, but Luvme Hair has their own hair care line specifically for wigs, and it is amazing. It's great stuff. I have already tried some of the stuff in here, so the packaging is not as neat as it was when I first got it. Here is the total hair care line. They have heat protecting spray, hydrating mist, shampoo, conditioner, hair masks, and hair oil, all specifically designed to help take care and treat your wigs. You can also use it on your regular hair as well. I have already used the shampoo and the hydrating mist spray. I used them on my son's hair the other day when I was washing his hair. This stuff smells so good. It says coconut, but I believe there's a little bit of vanilla in there as well because it has this really nice, warm, sweet smell. Amazing. But I'm going to be using some of this Wig Renew hydrating mist to refresh the curls. And I love the packaging of this. Okay, let me not forget to say that. Like, this is like the perfect like sprayer. Like, it gets like a, and it smells so good. This is like, when I tell y'all it smells so good, it smells so good. But this spray is like the perfect even mist. Like, this thing. Anyway, I'm gonna put that all over the hair to refresh the curls a bit. I think this product does a great job at getting rid of frizz and like those flyaways. I don't know if you've noticed, but the wig was actually pretty frizzy before I sprayed the stuff on there. And if you've ever had a curly wig, you know it gets really frizzy. Like, the more you touch it and play in it, the frizzier it gets. But this stuff is amazing. And I'm also going to try adding some of this Wig Renewal hair oil onto the hair just to seal in that moisture and to help prevent any more frizz. And it smells just as good as the rest of the products. Oh, the hair feels so much softer now, y'all. Okay, so I think I've had the band on here for a while now. I think the lace is laid enough, so we're gonna go ahead and take off the headband. All right, for transparency, I did add some more makeup in my hairline, some bronzer and contour. Now this is what the wig looks like before I style it. Just, you know, everything pulled up and the lace is laid. Give you a 360. This is what the back looks like. I think it looks super cute already as is. Now I'm going to do a hairstyle that I was thinking about for this wig that I want to try. Alright, this is a hairstyle that I wanted. It looks super cute, like a very like flowy and feminine. I love it. It's very playful. I definitely would say this is one of my favorite wigs that I have received so far from Luvme Hair. I love that it was easy to install. I have had a 360 wig from them before. This one was so much easier to install, definitely because of the adjustable straps in the back, the invisible adjustable straps. And also I feel like they pre-tinted the lace, which actually made it a lot easier to blend in with my skin. I also want to mention that I absolutely love the texture, the curls of this hair. It's so soft and like so fun and playful. I'm really enjoying the curls, and the hair mist and hair oil definitely helped make it even more soft. And now it smells like vanilla. It smells so good. All right, let me show you what the hair looks like down. All right, so this wig can actually be worn with no part at all. And this is what it looks like with no part. I have the hair all the way just straight back. I love a straight back look, no part, just, you know, let it fall where it falls. I'll show you all of the hair from the back. And by the way, I am 5'4" and I do have a slightly smaller head than average. So the wig may appear longer or bigger on me than it would other people. But this is where it goes, not stretched, almost to the bottom of my back. When stretched, it actually goes all the way down to my tailbone. You guys can't see that, but yeah. And the parting space on this wig is crazy. Let me show you. Do you see how deep that parting space is? And that's throughout the entirety of the wig. I can come over here really deep side part, still deep over here, just as deep. But I'm definitely loving this wig. You can do so many different hairstyles. Like, the limit does not exist. But yeah, that is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers and I am super excited. So definitely hit that subscribe button. If you are interested in purchasing this wig, the direct link and all of the information will be down in the description box below. So make sure you check that out. And if you decide to make any purchases with Luvme Hair, make sure you use our coupon code at the checkout to save yourself 28% off of this and future orders. But that is all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.